Looking ba kayo ng house and lot na ready for occupancy, na very accessible at malapit sa Metro Manila? Ito na yon, the Penthouse at Jubilation Enclave, Biñan, Laguna. Hi mga ate, kuya. This is Kuya Reb, real estate broker from Castles Realty. Now, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng quick tour about the Penthouse in Jubilation Enclave, Biñan, Laguna. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Alright, that's it for the Penthouse in Jubilation, Biñan. Again, this is Kuya Reb from Castles Realty. For more videos like this, please follow my page on YouTube channel.